Let the cost of permutation P be the maximum element of C. Koksha want you to construct a permutation with minimum possible cost. A permutation of length n is an array consisting of any distinct integers from 1 to n in arbitrary order. For example, here is permutation and here is not a permutation. That is not my points actually. Each test case, let's see about the constraint of this problem. Test case is 1 to 2000 and the KNN from 1 to 2 into 10 to the power 5, and the sum of n overall test case does not exceed 2 into 10 to the power 5. For each test case, output n integers p1, p2, pn, which is a permutations with minimal cost. If there is more than one permutation with minimum cost, you can output any of them. So let's us discuss this problem. Let us discuss this problem. Firstly, I will go to my Word, Microsoft Word, and discuss what I will actually do. Uh, if we consider first example 1, 5 and 3, 5 and 3, and with a minimum of C means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So question 1 to from 1 to 3 and 2 to 4 and 3 to 5. First 3, in first 3, maximum and minimum value sum ci, and all uh, uh, this is first one, this is second one. For similarly we try to calculate maximum and minimum for the second one, and maximum and minimum for the third one. For this example 5 and 3, let's we take a minimum value of first. This is a first, this is a first, this is second, this is second, and this is third, and this is a third. So we find minimum of first one. Minimum of first one is 1 plus maximum of first one is 3. That is actually 4. Similarly, minimum of second one is 2 and maximum of second one is 4. That is 6. Similarly, minimum of third one is 3 and maximum of third one is 5. That is overall 8. But question actually say that maximum of all of these 3 is minimum possible. So we have to rearrange this even permutations, and I rearrange this permutation like this. You can rearrange anyway, but I actually do this problem to find minimum of maximum of 3. 5, 1, 4, 2, and 3. Let's see. Let's This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third one. So minimum of first one is 1 and maximum of first one is 5. So overall answer is 6. And for the second one, minimum is 1 and maximum is 4. So answer is 5. And for third one, maximum is 3 and minimum is 2. So answer is 6. So overall maximum of this of all of these 3 is 6. So in this way, we actually find minimum of maximum of all the 6. So we have to write this code on the code editor Sublime. We actually use Sublime text editor. So we first take a test case, and then we input a test case. Right. Let's take we define actually a long define as define ll equal to long ll n and m are the inputs of this problem. Now we take a vector we see to vector of length flexible length 4 ln I equal to 0 equal to not 0 from 1 I equal to less than equal to n I plus plus. We have to just make a vector from 1 to n, make a vector which takes the value from 1 to n. So we use at after comparatively, and let's use this problem. We first use we have to take in an example, short example, 5 and 3. My answer should be 5 1 5 1 3 4 sorry 2 and 3. That is my actual my target to achieve. So first, yes, 4 4 ll I equal to 0 I will I less than n I plus plus. We have actually half this and obtained all of this value. V of I, C out V of I, not V of I actually n minus I minus 1. And then C out V of I. If n percent 2 equal to 1 means for the odd one, if you take this loop runs only two times, so mid value that is 3 is actually not printing from here. This actually cover all even cases, but for odd cases we have actually print also the mid value. That is, and then lastly we print all test case is in last one. So yeah, we have actually now let's test our all test case. We actually find or not. Yeah, we actually got 6, 5, and 5. Let's submit these solutions. Let's submit these solutions firstly and check our solution work or not. Yeah, our solution works properly. Actually, all test case passes. That is the answer of this problem. Bye.